Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today's video is sponsored by Chris Beauty Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig unit. So you guys know I pretty much review for this company frequently. They have the best wigs, the best lace in the whole wig game in my opinion. When it comes to quality, they have amazing wigs, you guys. Like, you can't beat the hairline. I absolutely love their wigs and the quality. So here's the inside of the cap. Also, I'm showing you guys where you can hook in your adjustable straps. That was also given in your packaging as well. I just don't use them because I don't like my wigs to be too snug on my head. So this is the new clear lace wig unit. I have reviewed several of them at this point. However, today I have a curly texture with a 200% density, and this is also in 18 inches, you guys. So I have already gone and pretty much washed my wig, and I've defined my curls, and I let it air dry, and this is how it came out, and this is how it looks. You guys also know that this wig unit already comes bleached. The knots come bleached. So again, all you have to do is cut your lace and put it on. Simple, easy. Is a wig that I have ever applied, you guys. It's so nice. The hairline is also amazing. I did not pluck this except for when I did the baby hairs, and it's just really easy to put on, you guys. If you are a beginner, girl, get your hands on one of these clear lace wig units because they're really nice. I will link down below some more hair reviews that I did for Chris Beauty so that you guys could see the consistency within their wig units, especially with their clear lace, you guys. I just feel like it's all very consistent. All the hairlines are the same. All the wigs, they come the same. And I just want to go ahead and link some stuff down below for you guys. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check it out. Just more stuff about the clear lace, you guys. It's supposed to be undetectable on your skin for anybody's skin tone, which I absolutely love as well. You also don't have to put foundation up under your lace. That's just something that I do. I always do it with all my videos, but I do believe that with one of their wigs, I did not use foundation, you guys, and it comes out just as bomb. So just keep that in mind. Hopefully you guys like this wig. I wanted to try a different texture with the clear lace, you guys. Let me know what you think. I think I gave you all 3 different hairstyles. I did a half up, half down at the end, and then I did a parting side part, and then I did a flip over as well. So let me know what you guys think below. I know this wig would be for somebody, and somebody will love it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.